Hi guys, today I've got 3 really quick New Year's Eve hairstyle ideas for you. The first style is a really easy low bun. To start, I've taken some hair padding and I've just got this from cutting up a hair donut, and we're just going to shape this into a small round circle shape. Next, we're going to divide the hair roughly in half and clip each side out of the way. Then all we're going to do is take that hair padding and secure it to the nape of the neck in the middle using bobby pins all around the outside. Release those sections from the clips, and then working on the right hand side we're going to take that whole section and twist it towards the head, and then just place this on top of the bun padding and pin it along that twist with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're going to do exactly the same on the left hand side, so take all of the hair, twist it towards the head, and we're going to bring it up and over that previous section, and again pin it along that twist using a few bobby pins. Apply some texture spray all over the hair. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're just going to loosen everything up by pinching and pulling the hair at the crown area. Next, we're going to pinch and pull at both of those twists just to make it look a little bit more messy. Now, taking the ends on the right hand side, we're just going to twist these a little bit more and then bring them underneath the padding and secure it to the head with a couple of bobby pins. Again, pinch and pull at that twist so it matches the rest of the hair. If you've got any tail ends left over, wrap these around a bobby pin and then just tuck them underneath that bun. And then we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side, so take the ends, give them a twist, bring them underneath the padding and pin to the head. And then just loosen everything up by pinching and pulling at that twist. And it really is as simple as that. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Okay, moving on to hairstyle number 2, we've got a really easy undone bun. To start, we're going to divide the hair and we're going to go from about the end of the eyebrows, so section off this top section and just smooth it down with your hand. Next, split it into 3 equal parts and we're going to do a very chunky French braid, so cross the left over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. Then cross the left strand over the middle, but this time we're going to add a nice chunky bit of hair from the left hand side and cross that over to the middle also. And then we're going to cross the right hand strand over the middle strand and add a nice bit of chunky hair from the right hand side and join this into the middle strand as well. Then just do a stitch or 2 of regular 3-strand braid, and we're just going to push this up slightly to give it a bit of lift and pin this straight across using a few bobby pins just to hold it in place for now. We're going to take small sections of hair between our finger and thumb and we're just going to pinch and pull them out and secure them in place with a little bit of hairspray. And we want to do this all over that braided section of hair to give it a nice messy look. Next, gather that hair that's hanging down and bring it up to meet those bobby pins, and we're going to gather it into a ponytail, so we'll just slide those bobby pins out of the way. and then using an elastic band create a ponytail about ear height. Next, twist that ponytail in one direction and then wrap it around the base of the ponytail, so around that elastic band in the opposite direction, and then wrap it all the way round and tuck the ends underneath. Then just secure this to the head all the way around that bun using as many bobby pins as needed. So we want to mess this bun up a little bit, so take very tiny sections of the hair and again pinch and pull and secure in place with hairspray. And we're just going to carry on pinching and pulling around the entire bun until you're happy with the look. And here's the finished style. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And the last hairstyle is an easy low chignon. To start, I've left some hair out around the face. First of all, we're going to section the front of the hair from the ears forward and clip this out of the way for later, and do this on both sides of the head. Now we're going to split the remaining hair in half, and working on that right hand side, we're going to pop it into a low ponytail with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ponytail all the way through. Just pull it part way through so you create a loop and leave the ends hanging out. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. Next, taking hold of that loop on the right hand side, pop your fingers through it and grab the left hand loop and pull it all the way through. Pull each loop tight and secure the top of those loops to the head using as many bobby pins as needed. Release those front sections. Now we're just going to apply some texture spray to the crown of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're just going to pinch and pull at the hair just to loosen everything up a little bit. Take the hair on the right hand side, twist it towards the head and bring it over to the left hand side of that little bun, and then just secure it using a couple of bobby pins. Then take your fingers and pinch and pull at that twist to give it a bit more volume. Then repeat this on the left hand side, so twist it towards the head, but this time we're going to make a small hole in the right hand side of that first twist and pass that left hand twist through and join it to the top of the bun on the right hand side of the head. And again, loosen it up by pinching and pulling. With all the pieces that you've got hanging down, just take your straighteners and curve these around so it gives it a little bit of movement. So taking this little topsy tail tool, I'll link this in the description as well, I've just popped this into various places on the bun and just taken a couple of strands and passed them through. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favourite.